All right, so to put these shelves in, I'm going to show you how you do it. First of all, you got to put your pins in. And what you've got to do is you've got to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many you're going to go down. And then you just push the pin in like that. Let me show you. Here's one here. So all these are flat on one side. You see that? So that side goes up. And then you make sure that you're exactly where you want to put it. And then you stick it in the hole. And now look, you've got it ready to go. And then you want to have the white side facing out. And then you're going to turn it on an angle. And kind of angle it in like this. You see? Kind of get it on an angle. And get one side on your pins. And then this side should just drop down. But I'm kind of stiff here. There we go. Oh, look, we got our pin in the wrong spot. So you just got to make sure you get your pins in the right spot. And that's how you put one of the shelves in. That's pretty much it. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos.